This is Mrs. Gilbert, the reading specialist at Londonderry Elementary School. This video is part of a series about the different animal reading strategies you can use to encourage your child to take action when solving an unknown word. The strategy I'm going to show you is called Lips the Fish, where we want the child to get his or her mouth ready and say the beginning sound. Let's read playing together. We like to play with the blocks. We like to play with the trucks. We like to play with the dolls. We like to play with a ball. We like to play with the teddy bears. You said teddy bears. Look at this word. Get your mouth ready and say the beginning sound to help you figure out the word. B. Oh, it's bears. Good. Now reread the sentence. We like to play with the bears. So why couldn't this word be teddy bears? Because it doesn't begin with T. That's right. Turn the page and keep reading. We like to play with the puzzles. We like to play with the cars. We like to play with the toys. And that's how you can encourage your child to use the Lips the Fish reading strategy to solve an unknown word.